Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we will study plastids and the ribosome. As you know already, plastids, they are present in the plant cell, absent in the animal cell. They are absent in algae. In algae, chlorophyll pigments are present, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B only. Besides, they are also present in euglena. That is so euglena is considered as an intermediate link between plants and because euglena does not have cell wall, but euglena has chlorophyll. So it is an intermediate link between plant and an animal. Now the plastid, first the term it was seen by the scientist Haeckel. Later in 1885, A.F.W.H. Schimper, he gave or coined the term plastid. Now these plastids are present in the plants, absent in blue-green alga, fungi and bacteria. Plastids are absent in blue-green alga, fungi and bacteria. They are not seen, though they are also considered as a plant, but they are absent in that, right? Now these plastids, on the basis of the presence of the colors, they are divided into two groups, leucoplast and chromoplast. Leuco means colorless, they don't have any color. Leucoplast are colorless plastid, they don't have any color, they store the reserve food material. Now due to this kind of the storage of the food material they had, they were divided into three parts: amyloplast, proteinoplast and elioplast. That is amyloplast, proteinoplast and elioplast. Amyloplast, they store starch such as your potato tubers. यह है ना, जैसे आपका आलू है, शकरकंद है. Plants which are photosynthetically inactive means the part of the plant which is present below the earth. There the reserve food material which is present, that is amyloplast, and they store the starch. Basically your potato tubers are there and this your sweet potatoes are there, they store amyloplast. The second one, proteinoplast, word itself indicates proteinoplast means they store proteins. All pulses you have, soya bean, your grams, groundnuts, pulses, all these pulses, they store proteins and they starch the store proteins. Proteins, they are the main source of the body. आपके pulses हैं, सोयाबीन है, ग्राम है, चने हैं, जो भी हैं वो सारे प्रोटीन. Elioplast, they store fats, means those seeds, though protein they are also the seeds, and the elioplast fats, they are also stored in seeds, those seeds which gives us oil, mustard, coconut, groundnut, sunflower oil, sesame oil, all these which gives us तेल. अलसी है, तिल है, आपका सरसों है, मस्टर्ड है, आपका कोकोनट, गरी का तेल है, मूंगफली का तेल है. दे ऑल स्टोर फैट्स, दे आर प्रेजेंट, दे स्टोर फैट्स. Now the second part is chromoplast. Chromoplast, they are variously colored plastids. Chromoplast, they are variously colored plastid. On the basis of colors, chromoplasts, then they are further divided into two parts: photosynthetically inactive plastids and photosynthetically active plastids. Photosynthetically inactive plastids, photosynthetically active plastids. Photosynthetically inactive plastids, they are those in which colors pigments are present. वो होते हैं जिनमें कलर्स होते हैं, कलर्स पिगमेंट्स रहते हैं. आपके डिफरेंट वैरायटीज ऑफ फ्लावर्स, फ्रूट्स, सेपल्स, पेटल्स विच विल वी सी अराउंड अवर सेल्फ. जो हम अपने आसपास पौधों में फूल देखते हैं, फल देखते हैं, अलग अलग रंगों के फूल, अलग अलग रंगों के फल, ये क्रोमोप्लास्ट से होते हैं. इसके अलावा जो ग्रीन कलर के प्लास्टिड, ग्रीन कलर यू सी एविडेंट इन योर नेचर, आपके स्टेम, ब्रांचेस, लीव्स, आप आसपास हरे फल भी देखते हैं, हरी पत्तियां चारों तरफ, वट एवर द ग्रीनरी यू सी अराउंड योर सेल्फ, जितनी भी ग्रीनरी आपके पास है वो सब जो होते हैं वो क्लोरोप्लास्ट. And along with the chloroplast, they have some other pigments also, pheoplast and rhodoplast, that is the red pigment, brown pigment. They also photosynthetically active, not in so much amount, but in the small amount they are active. I hope it is clear. Now here, in photosynthetically inactive plastids, the color present except green color. Basically, carotene gives us red, orange, yellowish orange color, that is given by the carotene. Xanthophyll are responsible for the yellow color. As a yellow, you see the guava, अमरूद आप खाते हैं पीले रंग के, कच्चे होते हैं तो वो हरे होते हैं, हरे मीन्स दे कंटेन क्लोरोफिल चेंजेस इनटू क्रोमोप्लास्ट, जो कि ज़ैंथोफिल में चेंज होते हैं. पपाया है रेडिश येलोइश, इसमें भी कैरोटीन ज़ैंथोफिल होता है, right? And capable of trapping solar energy, that is the green color chloroplast. Chloroplast, they contain chlorophyll. Chloroplast में chlorophyll होता है. So they are photosynthetically active plastids are there. These photosynthetically active plastids, they are seen in the large amount. All green leaves that you see in the trees, they are present, and among the branches of the trees, leaves of the trees, they are very much present over there, and they are capable of trapping the solar energy. And this solar energy, they change in the form of chemical energy, that carbon dioxide and water combines and it gives the glucose, and oxygen is given out, that is the life gas. Now here in the chloroplast, they have the green pigment, rhodoplast. This is the class of the algae, Rhodophyceae, that is present, red color pigment present in them, that is the Rhodophyceae algae, red algae, that is found in marine, sea water, समुद्र में पाई जाती है. इसी तरह Phaeophyceae, उसमें brown pigment होता है, it contains the brown color pigment present in Phaeophyceae. They are also found in marine, oceans, large amount. As you know already, 2/3 part of the earth is covered with the water, where the largest part is the oceans. Now under these oceans, these larger algae, they cover the entire surface of the earth underground, because light travels under the water also. So they are present over there, that is the Phaeophyceae, that is the brown color pigment present. I hope this one is clear. Now as you know, algae, they are present over there in the oceans. Chloroplast, that is the green color pigment, largest photosynthetically active pigment present in the world. Photosynthetically active pigment that is present in the world, that is the chlorophyll, chloroplast. Now if you see the chloroplast, the pigment mesophyll of the leaf cell, you see the large amount of the structure of the chlorophyll is seen over there. If the single chlorophyll pigment you cut under the sections, you will see it consists of the outer membrane and the inner membrane. इसमें दो कवर्ड होते हैं, एक आउटर मेम्ब्रेन, ये बाहरी परत, ये अंदर की परत, और इसके अंदर फ्लूइड भरा होता है. फ्लूइड जो बाहर की तरफ होता है उसे हम मैट्रिक्स, द फ्लूइड विच इज प्रेजेंट आउटसाइड between the granum and the inner membrane, that is the matrix, and the fluid which is present in between the granum, lamellae or the starting. इन ये फ्लूइड जो होता है, ये फ्लूइड जो होता है वो उसको हम स्ट्रोमा कहते हैं. फ्लूइड which is present inside this, that is called the stroma, and fluid which is present outside this one is the matrix. Now granum, a thylakoid plate-like structure kept one above the other. ये इनकी संख्या 10 से लेके 100 तक हो सकती है. 10 से लेके 100 थैलेकॉइड एक के ऊपर एक रखे जा सकते हैं, और कम से कम 6-7 ये ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गा में, छोटे प्लांट्स में होते हैं. और जनरली अगर आप बिगर आपने ये एंजियोस्पर्म्स में देखें तो उसमें कम से कम 70-80 से चल रहा है. जैसे ये आपकी प्लेट है और प्लेट में गोल गोल कटोरियाँ हीप में रखी हुई हैं, इस तरह से होता है. जैसे ये आपकी प्लेट जाएगी, ये अब इसमें ये रखे हुए हैं, और ये जो हीप्स होते हैं ये स्टैक्स होते हैं. सिंगल प्लेट is known as thylakoid. It increases the surface area for the process of photosynthesis. It increases the surface area for the process of surface photosynthesis के लिए इसका surface area इसको ज़्यादा मिलता है, इसलिए इसको कहते हैं. इसमें क्या होता है? Photosynthesis, it completes in two reactions, light reaction and dark reaction. Light reaction takes place in the granum of the chloroplast and dark reaction takes place in the stroma of the chloroplast. Right? Light reaction takes place in the thylakoid of the granum and the dark reaction takes place in the stroma of the chloroplast. This is clear? Detail you study later on. Now these are the structures they are present. So what are their function? The main function, that is photosynthesis. They make the food for the entire world. All the world, the food that is made over there, it is made through the green plant. No other creature on the surface of the earth that makes the food for all living organisms present on the surface of the earth is present. Now this what's supposed to be seen over here. And they store the food material as already leucoplast. Each and every part of the plant we use as in food, whether it's a root, it's a stem, the leaves, flowers or the fruits. Now these storage, they are present in the different parts of the protein, that is the storage food for entire world, all the living world, all living organisms present on the surface of the earth, right? Second, as they give out oxygen during the process of photosynthesis, that clearly are really simple, that is CO2 plus H2O in presence of the sunlight and chlorophyll, they give C6H12O6 plus oxygen is given out, that is 6 CO2, 6 H2O and 6 O2. They synthesize and they give out during its process. They maintain oxygen, they release oxygen, so they maintain the oxygen, because without oxygen we cannot survive. Respiration, the reverse reaction, glucose in presence of oxygen broken down into carbon dioxide and water, and it releases energy for our various work. That is what happens in respiration. It helps in pollination. Various chromaplasts, they have colored sepals and petals of the different flowers. So these different colored flowers, petals, they attract insects for pollination. And due to that, the pollination and fertilization occurs, and then only the fruit formation takes place in the plants. They release oxygen, so they are the best purifier of the air. If plants are not there, we are not able to survive. So they are best air purifier, so they help in removing air pollution. They also help in removing the air pollution they had, and they prevent pollution, best purifiers of the air. So that is what all about the chloroplast. Now the next we have ribosome. Rhizome discovered by the scientist Pallet in 1953. For that he got the Nobel Prize in 1974. Now these ribosomes, they are the main function synthesis of protein. They are of two types, 70S ribosomes and 80S ribosomes. Each ribosome made up of two subunits. 70S ribosomes, they are made up of two subunits, 30 subunits and 30S and 50S. 80S ribosomes, they are made up of two subunits, 40S and 60S, that is the 80S ribosome. 70S ribosome, generally they are found in the blue-green alga and bacteria. 80S ribosome, generally they are found there. They are found in the chlorophyll, they are found in mitochondria, they are found in endoplasmic reticulum, they are found in nucleus, they are found in freely in the cytoplasm, and they help in the synthesis of protein. I hope it is clear. Any doubt, anywhere, you can ask me in the comment section. Again, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.